The President of the United States is now openly defying court orders, and the country barely blinked. Judges are being insulted, threatened, and even arrested. Legal professionals are being targeted for daring to challenge government power. One federal judge halted the mass deportation of Venezuelan asylum seekers. Trump's team ignored it and put them on planes anyway. Welcome to 2025, where the executive branch laughs in the face of judicial authority, and checks and balances now sound more like a punchline than a principle. If this sounds like something out of an unstable authoritarian regime, that's because it is. Only it's not across the ocean. It's here, in your country, in your lifetime. And while you're paying taxes and picking up groceries, your democracy is bleeding out behind closed courtroom doors. If you care about justice, truth, or just not waking up in a country where judges need armed security for simply doing their jobs, seriously, it matters. Because this isn't just politics. This is your mom's right to a fair hearing when she sues for unsafe housing. It's your neighbor's immigration appeal. It's the lawyer fighting for veterans' benefits who just lost her government contract because she dared to oppose the regime. This is real, and it's local. But instead of outrage, the public is offered reality show chaos with a side of flag pins. Meanwhile, Trump's loyalists in Congress are working to impeach judges who rule against him, even as his DOJ drafts sanctions against lawyers who fight for civil rights. Yes, you heard that right. Lawyers. Being sanctioned for defending the Constitution. The same Constitution we were all told to memorize in 7th grade before it got set on fire in broad daylight. But don't worry, we're told. It's all part of draining the swamp, by flooding it with unqualified loyalists in robes. Judges are now being called radical Marxists for having the gall to follow the law. And if they're not obedient, there's always the option to arrest them. That's not dramatic exaggeration. It's happening. Just ask Judge Hannah Dugan in Wisconsin. It's like someone took The Handmaid's Tale, House of Cards, and a bit of Idiocracy, threw them in a blender, and hit elect. And still, too many people scroll past it all because the headlines feel too far away. But this isn't cable news. This is your future. If the courts fall, every right you think you have, from voting to protesting to simply living without fear, goes with them. This isn't about left or right anymore. It's about up or down. Do we rise to defend a system that's meant to serve everyone? Or do we let one man and his enablers burn it to the ground while we're all arguing over slogans? Like, share, subscribe, help us grow before there's no one left to tell the truth.